This very pretty brown girl is named Yasmin. She's between 7 and 8 weeks old. Yeah. You beating on Chihuahuas? Are you beating on Chihuahuas, pretty one? Anyway, this lovely little one needs a home. She got a good purr box. She got a very good purr box. She purrs very good. And so far she says puppies are big and scary and horrible. That's a Munson. Oh, stop. Clara Boo, don't scare the baby girl. Alright, monkey. Yeah, I know, love. Wanna go back with cats? Yes, my sweet girl. Oh, it's okay. Don't get scared. Don't get scared. I'm sorry. Said I never saw these things until yesterday, and they're disgusting. They scare me. They're bad. I know, love muckins. She's got a little cold, and as soon as she is cleared by her veterinarian foster dad, oh, stop. She will be ready for her new home. Yes, Munson says. Go back and be with cats on the cat side of the wall. Then no dogs will mess with you. There's a kitten you can play with. There's a good girl. Tiny